everyone, and thank you for joining me for How to Job Search Online. My name is Andrea, and I'm the Outreach Librarian for the Riverhead Free Library. Let's get started. Here's what we'll be working on today. First, what do I need? Second, where do I look? And third, what should I expect? Let's start with what you'll need. You'll need an internet connection, an email address, and all of your personal information. While you might know your name and your address off the top of your head, the other bullet points can be a little bit tricky. I've created a template that's available for download in the description box below that will help you organize all of your information. Here's a closer look at that template. Second, where do I look? Here's a list of the top 10 job search sites as recommended by thebalancedcareers.com, along with my top 3 choices. Let's take a look at a LinkedIn job search page. At the top, you can search for a specific job, and you can choose what area you'd like to search in. Underneath are more filters that will help you limit your results. On the left are all the jobs that meet the criteria that you've chosen. When you click on a job, more information will show up on your right. Click Show More to get the full description of the job. As you can see, the LinkedIn page is very similar. For Google Jobs, all you need to do is search whatever kind of job that you're looking for in the regular Google search bar. This will pop up. Click on the blue header to get a page that looks like this, and limit your search as you've seen on the other 2 pages. Another thing that you need to look out for is the apply now versus the apply on the company website. If possible, you want to apply on the company website. If you click on an apply now button, you'll be forced to send your information through the job search site. This isn't bad, but it can be a very lengthy process. So you already know where you'd like to work. Here's how you find available positions. We'll use Stop and Shop as an example since it's right around the corner for the library. You can find this on any company's website. What you're going to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. There you should see a button that says Careers, usually under the word Company. Click on Careers. Here you can see a ton of career paths that are available from Stop and Shop, but I would like a store position, so I'll scroll down to there. Here you're going to find some information about the company's practices during the pandemic. We're going to click Next. And this will lead you to a page that will talk about how long it will take to complete the application process. From here, you're just going to read carefully and fill out the questions as they give them to you. 3, what should I expect? Really, every job application is different. Some will ask for more information than what you gathered, and some will ask for less. If an application asks for more information than you have, don't panic. Just gather the information that you'll need and come back to the application when you're ready. Applications may also ask you about yourself, your personality, or what you would do in a given situation. In this case, think about your answer carefully and answer honestly. What happens after you've submitted your application? Well, sometimes nothing. You may get an email from the company saying that they've received your application, but sometimes they won't contact you unless they want you to come in for an interview. No matter what happens, don't be discouraged and keep on applying. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or any of the other librarians at the Riverhead Free Library.